today's health resource, we will be talking about insurance plan types. In this video, we aim to help community members understand the differences in insurance plan types so they can be confident in their health coverage knowledge. In today's resource, there will be 5 chapters. Chapter 1, Health Insurance versus Medical Insurance versus Healthcare Insurance. Chapter 2, What does health insurance cover? Chapter 3, Different kinds of insurance. Chapter 4, How to get health insurance. Chapter 5, Do I really need health insurance? Chapter 1, Health Insurance versus Medical Insurance versus Healthcare Insurance. Health insurance, also known as medical insurance or healthcare insurance, refers to a kind of insurance that covers medical or healthcare costs. Much like your car insurance can cover certain costs for your car, like say when you get in a crash, your health insurance can also cover certain costs of your medical care, like when you need surgery. In other words, health insurance is a contract made between the insurance and policyholder to work together to help cover the expensive costs you may face when you need to seek medical attention. Chapter 2, What does health insurance cover? Health insurance plans can cover a wide range of medical care and services. However, there are a set of 10 categories that all insurance plans must cover under the Affordable Care Act. They include doctor services, inpatient, outpatient hospital care, prescription drug coverage, pregnancy, childbirth, mental health services, and more. To fully understand what is covered and what is not covered by your insurance plan, call your insurance company today so you can speak with them. Remember, each insurance plan is different. No one size fits all. Be sure you understand what is and what is not covered so you're not left with an unexpected bill. Chapter 3, Different kinds of insurance. Remember when I said insurance is not a one-size-fits-all? That's because there's a wide variety of types of health insurance, each one offering different coverage options. There are at least 4 distinct types of health insurance. There are HMOs, also known as Health Maintenance Organizations, PPOs, or Preferred Provider Organizations, POSs, or Point of Service Plans, and then EPOs, also known as Exclusive Provider Organizations. With each plan, you'll usually have to pay less if you seek providers in network or in contract with your insurance. If you choose to seek providers that are out of contract or out of network, you may have to pay for the cost of that visit yourself. Not sure what you have? Some insurance cards will state on the front or in the back, usually by the title, and you should be able to see HMO or PPO, for example, near your title. If you don't see any of that, call the customer service line phone number on your insurance card and find out today. Chapter 4, How to get health insurance. Although your employer is not legally obligated to provide health insurance, most will provide a job-based health insurance plan. Usually, you can sign up for the health benefits when you're first hired or during their open enrollment period. Unsure when that is? Be sure to reach out to HR. If you don't have access to health insurance through your employer, then you'll need to obtain your own health insurance in the market for individuals and families. You'll need to visit your state-specific marketplace exchange to see what options are available to you. We will include the link to the healthinsurance.org where you can add your zip code and quickly find the individual health insurance options in your area. Chapter 5, Do I really need health insurance? So with all this said, you may be saying, I don't get sick, I don't need to see the doctor, I never see them, like ever. Do I really need health insurance? Well, technically you're not legally obligated to have health insurance. As of 2019, the Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare, had its individual mandate dissolved at the federal level with the exception of DC, Massachusetts, New Jersey, Vermont, California, and Rhode Island, who still have an individual mandate at the state level. This means you no longer have to pay a tax penalty for not having health insurance. However, let me put it this way. I had an emergency removal of my appendix 1 week before my midterm exams in college. What would have cost my parents over 40 grand ended up only costing me $5,000 out of pocket. Keep in mind, the only way I was able to afford college was through scholarships and help from my parents. Had my parents not had health insurance, I would have probably needed to drop out of college so that we could have paid those hospital bills or fear poor credit, maybe bankruptcy. The reality is life happens, whether you're 86 or 25. No one's immune from a serious accident or health issue that requires emergency care or an expensive treatment plan. Whether or not you choose to get health insurance, keep in mind that life happens whether you're ready for it or not. Health insurance can help cover a large portion of a visit to the emergency room or your annual physical to keep you in tip-top shape. Without health insurance, you will be footed with a rather large bill in these situations. It doesn't hurt to be prepared, even for the unexpected. Herd hopes you found this health education resource helpful for learning about health insurance. That's it for today here with Herd. Let's meet again to learn in the next one. Bye!